students, I am your career counselor Savant Chudiwal. Today we will be having a proper information about NIT admission. Today we will be speaking about the list of documents required for NIT admission, that is National Institute of Technology, and the admission will be done by JOSA 2021, www.josa.nic.in. Through this website the whole admission procedure will be done, and afterwards the special round will be done through csab.nic.in. So the list of documents to be uploaded by candidates for registration or online reporting for admission to NIT plus IIIT GFTI colleges. First document is class 10 mark sheet or certificate, or also Aadhaar card for your date of birth. Then second document, class 12th mark sheet and certificate of particular qualifying examination. Third, certificate of category for SC or ST or OBC NCL or general EWS if applicable, as per the Government of India format, available on the JOSA 2021 website, issued by the competent authority. In case of OBC NCL or general EWS category, the certificate must be issued by the competent authority before 1st April 2021. Caste certificate for SC, ST, OBC NCL issued by Maharashtra state must be validated by Social Welfare Department in case of SC and OBC NCL category, and Tribal Welfare Department in case of ST category of Maharashtra government. The SC, ST, OBC NCL candidates of Maharashtra state have to produce their caste validity certificate in the format available on JOSA 2021 website. It is very compulsory. So all the students are requested for caste validity certificate who are applying for Maharashtra candidate have to apply for this thing. ST certificates from Tamil Nadu state must be issued by the concerned revenue divisional officer. Original certificate for person with disabilities, if applicable, issued by the competent authority. Please refer JOSA 2021 website for the particular format. Crossed bank check copy or image of passbook with bank account details. Detail is required for getting back all the refund which you have paid for the particular admission. Medical certificate in specified format available on JOSA 2021 format. OCI or PIO card if applicable. Passport if applicable. Admit card of JEE Mains. In addition to the above documents, the verifying officials will also check the special eligibility condition, if any, for all the choices including and above the seats allotted to the candidate. Friends, so we have seen the list of documents required for NIT admission. So I hope that you have liked this video. So please like, share, subscribe this video, and also don't forget to click on the bell button and just follow our channel so that you will get all the notification in upcoming videos. Thank you very much.